Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This is the tabletop chiller. Customer has called me. There is water, so let's see where is the water and how to fix it. So when I came here, then he showed me inside lot of water. Let's see. So every time there is water, and he need to clean the water. So I have to remove this cover. Viewers, I'll remove this cover, then video will be back. So viewers, see, there is water. This is the hose pipe. The problem is this hose pipe is blocked by dust, so water cannot drain properly. It's blocked by dust, that's why there is water stuck. See, this water is coming to the on the floor. So this pipe has been blocked, so we have to clear. So if you want to clear this pipe, it's very easy to use the gas. See, there is a drain pan. This all water should go to the drain pan, then automatically dry from there, but water is not going there. That's why, because of the block. So use this gas hose pipe. Inside the pipe, then flush it. If you like this, flush it 1 or 2 times, then all the block dust will go and the drain pipe will clear. Then you can put the water, then you see, if you put water, then water should go the under the drain pan. See, by cup it's very easy to put there, that's why we are using cup. And we have checked, it's draining properly now. So it has done. See, no more water. And then I have told to customer, this problem has been solved. In future there will be no water. So when you put the water, we came to see there is water. This is the drain pan, so all water is coming from, not it is dry.